Hey everyone, welcome back to Drive It Out. My name is Adam and we are at one of my favorite places, the SEMA Show. That's right, this is the 2024 SEMA Show, Las Vegas, Nevada, and I am super stoked to be in the Ford Performance booth right now where I have a brand new Ford Bronco, but it's not just any Bronco, this is the Sinister Bronze Edition. Now, what is that all about? They have a matte black edition and a Sinister bronze package. I call them packages rather than edition. What is this all about? Well, Ford has a new brand called Ford Custom Garage, and that is going to allow you to go to your Ford dealer and outfit a new vehicle that you're purchasing with accessories straight from Ford Performance, part of this Ford Custom Garage, and you're going to have your factory warranty is going to cover all of that package. So what do we have here? Let's talk about what we have here, because we obviously have some bigger tires. It's called the Sinister Bronze package, so you've got bronze everywhere, including on the wheels right here. You got a little bit of a lift. So let's talk about the details of what you're going to get here, because this is a pretty sweet looking Bronco. All right guys, so let's talk exactly about what you get. The Sinister Bronze package comes the 2-inch lift. Those are Bilstein shocks. You're gonna get a good 2-inch lift. These are 35-inch Goodyear Territory tires. Now, in addition to the Bilstein shocks and the tires, you're gonna get those beautiful bronze wheels. Those are 17-inch wheels, 17 by 8.5. Now those Goodyear all-terrains are 315 over 70 R17 tires. Now you get the black lug nuts, you may notice that as well. And you're also going to get these fender flares. These fender flares help this look that much more aggressive. Now the other bronze accents around the vehicle are going to be the letter caps on the grille and the Sinister Bronze Bronco badge on the back of the vehicle. And then you're going to get that matte black script, and you're going to get that smoked Ford oval as well. This is really sharp. I like it with the hard top. It's looking really, really good. And again, this is all a package that you can order when you're at the dealer getting your new Ford Bronco, and they're going to help you out with that, and it's going to carry that warranty. That is huge. As if you are looking for an off-roader that is also a family hauler, but you want to beef it up a little bit, this can be a great way to do it straight from the start. Okay guys, so what do you think about this Bronco with the Sinister Bronze package? Now, when you are purchasing your 4x4, do you think about, the things you're going to customize on it? Maybe you think about, are those things I could get straight from the factory or straight from when I purchased the vehicle new? Because if those things are covered under warranty, that could be a big deal to you. And again, this package is going to carry that 3 years or 36,000 mile warranty along with it, and that can really provide some peace of mind. They've really done a good job. You'll know everything the fit and finish is excellent, and they've really done a good job with this one. I really love the dark green paint. The green contrasting with the bronze is excellent. Now, if you're looking at a new Ford Bronco, maybe now you don't just have to think about what color I want it, but really think about the packages that you might want to get on it, because they are really providing you a way to go a little bit further and get a little more aggressive with the Bronco that you're looking at straight from the point of purchase. So I'm excited about that. Guys, this is the SEMA Show. This is my happy place, 2024, Las Vegas, Nevada. Really stoked to be here. Thank you for watching this video. I'm in the Ford Performance booth, and they have so many cool things here. We have a lot of other videos here from the show. Please check those out. Guys, we not only do walk-around reviews at major auto shows like this, but we do in-depth test drives and car comparisons. So please check those out on the channel as well. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and I will see you in the next review.